ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am so happy to be standing before you today and also a little saddened. It is a day for mixed emotions when a brother who has been a part of your journey in the High Court of Karnataka is retiring. Well, that means that there is an element of sadness involved as well. However, I only use this opportunity to wish Brother Umesh Adiga all the very best in his future life ahead. I hope that he and his family will have all the peace, joy, contentment, and everything good in life in the next chapter of his life as well. I had the opportunity to sit along with Brother Justice Adiga in the division bench. And like I said in the full court today, I was really impressed by his childlike humor. He is a person who is always smiling. I have not seen him flustered or irritated with any situation in all the days that I have sat with him. I am once again, wishing him all the very best in life and thank you for having invited me here. Thank you.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಕೀಲ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸರ್.
Honorable Justice Anu Shivraman Madam, Justice Umesh Adiga Sir, Sri Shashikaran Shetty Sir, Sri Arvind Kamath, Sri Praveen Gowda, Girish Kumar, Shweta Ravishankar Madam, Chandrakant Patil, Arni B.R., learned judges who have come in such huge numbers to bid farewell to a dear judge, the learned senior counsels and all the members of the Advocates Association. I think ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಉಮೇಶ್ ಅಡಿಗ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಯ ವಿತರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. He was equal to everybody and fair to everybody. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗೋಯ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೀರಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳು, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಆದರೂ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೊಸ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, he was put with very fast judges and very slow judges, but he used to manage both. Like Krishna said, Sthita Pragnaragiro, nothing will happen. And he used to hold them with equanimity. So it is a very difficult task to be doing so well with everybody, to have a temperament that will merge with everybody. So that was the great thing. We thank you very much, sir. ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ನೆವರ್ ಫೇಲ್ ದಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್. ನಮಗೆ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನು ಶಿವರಾಮನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Kerala. Justice Vibhu Bakru sir came from, we call him Prince of Hastinapur, came from Delhi. How well they treat youngsters. It is really a model for the entire India. Why I say this is, I believe judges who nurture youngsters, who give that space for youngsters to blossom amidst the courtroom, I think they are the finest. And that is the need and requirement of today. And we thank you very much. Whatever may be the result, we are not bound. It is just that courteousness you extend and the encouragement. AJ wanted to say something. So, no, it is irrespective. We may lose cases, no problem. But it is for the younger members of the bar that it is important. And I thank Justice Umesh Adiga sir. He is an exemplar like that. And we thank him very much. And imagine, born at Dadar, enrolled as an advocate in 1989, served as assistant public prosecutor from 94 to 95, appointed as civil judge on 8/2/95, promoted as senior civil judge and served in Bangalore Rural and Belagavi, promoted as ad hoc district judge and served in Athani and Tumkur, was promoted as district judge and served in Devanalli, Belagavi and Bangalore. For a short period, he served as Registrar Vigilance, High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore. Also served as Principal District Judge at Chikmagalur and Dharwad. He was elevated as Additional Civil Judge of the High Court of Karnataka and sworn in on 16/8/22 and became Permanent Judge on 16/4/24 and has been serving as a Judge of the High Court of Karnataka. We thank him very much, sir, and we wish you all the best. And his daughter, his wife, Srimati Suprabha Adiga, has studied MSc in microbiology at Bombay University and serves in multinational pharma company. And after marriage, she resigned from the job. Ms. Nidhi Adiga, daughter, is studying in second year, 5 years course BBA, LLB at Christ University, Bangalore. And then she has 3 brothers, Suresh, Chandrasekhar and Ramesh, sir. 3 sisters, Nagaratna, Shanta and Meenakshi. Parents and eldest brother and eldest sister are no more. Father Manjunath Adiga died on 25/11/1987. Mother Srimati Girijama Adiga died on 5/8/2019. He is a model of a man who is self-made, who has come up by himself and reached these heights. And the bar thanks him. It's a loss to the institution. You should have seen him when he was sitting single and rendering judgments, unswerving from the path of justice. There is only a straight path, that is path of justice. We thank you very much, sir. Yes.
ಉಮೇಶ್ ಎಂ ಅಡಿಗ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನದ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾದಂಥ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನು ಶಿವರಾಮ್, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ ಶಶಿಕರಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಶ್ರೀ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸಾಲಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಶ್ರೀ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಸುಬ್ಬಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ as well as president of the association, my sister and brother judges were sitting in the here, all the office bearers of the association and dignitaries as senior advocates and media persons. And thank all of you for honoring me here and said very good words about me. I don't know whether I am entitled for it or not. I hardly accept it. Bar Association is a, what we call it, a Taur Mane, because I was a member of this bar, member of a bar at Gadar. It is a eclipse period that I joined as a assistant public prosecutor, thereafter a judge. Now again I enter as an advocate. That is permitted. Of course I cannot practice here. That is the point. So many things I have stated about my calmness, peace and audience to be given to the calm. But it is always said, bar is a judge of a judges. Therefore now, so far, you people have preparing for the arguments and presenting the argument before me. Today I have prepared the argument to put before you to get a favorable order. I prepared a speech of half an hour and I'll see you how much of you patiently hear my argument. presentation. Mr. J. Chandrasekhar Patil gave me a statue of Bhagavad Gita wherein the Lord Krishna said, giving the advice to Arjuna. I taken it as that now I am after retirement I become a Krishna and saying saying all these slogans to the Arjuna, but now Arjuna is not found, therefore you are finding now I am finding you here, therefore I can tell the stories. Okay. I stand before you today with a heart filled with gratitude and emotion. The farewell organized by the Advocates Association is not merely a formal event. It is a reflection of the bond that has developed over years of the shared commitment to the cause of justice. I thank each one of you for this thoughtful and affectionate gesture, which I shall cherish for the rest of my life. The relationship between the bench and the bar is unique and sacred. While the bench may pronounce a judgment, it is the bar that brings the voice of the people into the courtroom. Throughout my judicial journey, I have never regarded advocate as a mere practitioners appearing before the court, but as the indispensable partners in the administration of the justice. The assistance, scholarship, and the sincerity displayed by the members of this bar have often guided this court in reaching the right conclusion. Every case that comes before the judge carries a human story of hope, despair, patience, and faith in the justice system. Many a time, long after the courtroom lights were switched off, the files remained open, demanding reflection and introspection. In those moments, the quality of the arguments, fairness of the presentation, and responsible conduct of a counsel played a decisive role. I take this opportunity to place on record my deep appreciation for the professionalism and dignity consistently maintained by this bar. Judging is not an easy task. It is not an arithmetical exercise, but a process that requires balance, compassion, courage, and conscience. Mistakes are possible, criticism is inevitable, and praise is rare. Yet, the silent satisfaction of having acted in accordance with one's oath is the greatest reward. If today I retire with a sense of quiet fulfillment, it is largely because of trust, cooperation, and understanding extended by advocates who appeared before me. Differences of opinion between the bench and the bar are natural in a dynamic legal system. However, I have always experienced those differences being expressed with respect and maturity. That is the true strength of an institution governed by rule of law. For this, I remain grateful to the Advocates Association. As I step away from the bench, I do so with a mixed emotions. There is a sense of completion, but also a sense of separation from daily interactions, from the courtroom, and from a profession that has defined much of my life. Yet, I live with a comfort that the institution is in the capable of hands and that the bar will continue to uphold its noble traditions. To young members of the bar, I used to say, this is the legal profession is not merely a means of a livelihood. It is a solemn public responsibility. Uphold ethics, remain patient, respect the code, and never lose sight of a human element behind every brief. Success will follow in its own time. I once again thank the office bearers of the members of the Advocates Association for this touching farewell. The memories, goodwill, and respect I carry from this place will remain with me always. With these words, I take leave, wishing the bar, the bench, and the great institution continued strength and excellence in the service of justice. And I thank all the dignitaries on the dais who have said good words about me. I thank them very much. I also thank office bearers, president of the Bar Association, and all the members of the senior and other members of the Bar Association, media person, and all the dignitaries who are present before this court. I will not say the goodbye because we will meet again and again, there may not be a problem. I thank you all of you for this, calling me for this function, presenting me, and showing all the respect. Thank you, one and all.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯನಿಮಿತ್ತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅನು ಶಿವರಾಮನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ
ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಯಾದ ಮುದ್ಗಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಡಿಗ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 12 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಶಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು 10 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 12 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ 10 ದಿವಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 12 ದಿವಸ ಅಂತಂದು ತಮಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿಡೋನೋ ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರುಗಳು ನಾವು ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಉಮೇಶ್ ಅಡಿಗ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರನ್ನ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ತುಂಬುವುದರಿಂದ ಒಪ್ಪಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಯಾರೇ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನ್ಯಾಯದಾನ ಕಾನೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಅವರು ಜಡ್ಜಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಥದ್ದು. ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರಿ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಕೀಲರು ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯರಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೀಳ್ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ದುಃಖ ಸಂಗತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನಾದ್ರೂ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆನರಬಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅನು ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, and I keep saying she always ever smiling, and all our demands and requests, I don't say demands, our requests are met by her. And there are few more requests which have been already resting with Madam, especially with the building committee. So those in the PWP department have charted out. Our AG has expressed, Madam, if that has been sent to the government, he'll pursue it and see that the works, the funds will be allocated. So Madam is always kind enough to support the bar for things which is for the basic amenities and which is need to the bar and welfare of the association. Despite her busy schedule, she has come here for this ceremony. I welcome you, Madam, on behalf of association, also on my behalf. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಶಶಿಕಿರಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವರೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾವು ವಕೀಲ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನು ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒನಂತ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ AG ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಾಯಕರು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಕರಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ CS ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಖಜಾಂಚಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹರಿಣಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು, ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ಗಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೀಟ್ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಮುಂದುಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಸನಗಳು ತುಂಬಿದ್ವು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಹ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಜಿ ಖಜಾಂಚಿಯಾದ ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶಾಂತಿಭೂಷಣ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಂಜಪ್ಪ ಕಾಲೇಗೌಡರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಪಿ ಗೌಡರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ AP ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಂಕಿತ ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲರುಗಳು ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ
Justice Umesh Emadiga, Justice Anu Shivraman, all of our judges, all the judges present here, my friend Arvind Kamath, Vivek Subbareddy, Praveen Gowda, Girish Kumar and Shweta, Ravi Shankar, Chandrakant Patil, all the senior advocates, all the members of the bar. As Praveen Gowda was saying, even though it's a happy new year, we're going to lose a few judges in the first few months itself of this starting of this new year. We're going to create a huge vacuum in the judiciary of Karnataka. Coming to Justice Hadiga, one of the, apart from having all the qualities of a judge should have, is a thorough gentleman to the core. I don't think he has hurt anybody, even though his patience, his temperament, and in fact, all the junior lawyers, you ask any lawyer, is the most happiest person to appear before Justice Hadiga. And he has treated every member of the bar very fairly, with respect, dignity, even though he did not have a case or did not have the case. In fact, it did not matter in his court, because as lawyers we tend to point out with all fierceness, aggressiveness and things like that. We just absorbed everything with sheer Buddha, with all the pressure. I mean, he is one of, true judge in fact, probably the calmness of Honorable Justice Hadiga reflected on the lawyers also in the court. We really miss you, my lords. And one is probably the second innings. There will be no causeless, no courtroom timing. It's all your time. I think you'll enjoy this time even better than and from the bar, from myself, from everybody else, we wish you a healthy life in future. Thank you giving this opportunity.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸಾಲಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸರ್.
Honorable Justice Masuyavan, Honorable Justice Umesh Emadiga, my good friend Shetty, the Advocate General, Vivek Subbareddy, the President, Praveen Gowda, the General Secretary, Girish Kumar, the Vice President, and Shweta, the Treasurer, and all the members of the AV, Honorable Judges of the Court, Senior Advocates, and members of the board. Ellugu Namaskara. It's indeed a privilege to be part of the farewell event of Honorable Justice Hadiga. His is a very long career spanning more than 3 decades as a service to the judiciary. His term is marked by dignity, balance, and what I would call as a quiet judicial authority. Those of us who have appeared before him in the court can recall his very calm and measured court presence. He's always conducted the proceedings with dignity, fairness, and discipline. He's someone who has always allowed the counsel to present their case to the fullest, while remaining very focused on the core issues that are required for the adjudication. We all know that he has rendered several important judgments in the domain of service law and criminal law, and also in the domain of motor vehicle accidents. There is one particular judgment which drew my attention in the case of National Insurance Company versus George Menzies. That was a case where among the claimants in respect of a motor vehicle accidents claim, 2 claimants were sisters of the deceased, but they were married. So, yet, although they were married, they claimed that they were dependents on him. The insurance company objected that on the ground that they are already married, they can't be dependents. By adopting what I would call as a socially realistic view, His Lordship held that the marital status cannot negate the financial dependence. And he not only awarded compensation to the sisters, married sisters, but also enhanced it. this afternoon, and this afternoon, in this acceptance speech in the full court, His Lordship mentioned that law should be humane and not technical. So that kind of sums up his judicial philosophy. And if we have to summarize his career, he's been a judge who has been firm but very courteous, very decisive but patient. His courtroom has been a space where disagreements have been dealt with civility, and the dignity of the institution has always been preserved. Although today marks his conclusion of his role as a judge, I'm sure his judgments and his courtroom demeanor will always guide and inspire us in the future. On behalf of the entire bar, I wish Honorable Justice Adiga good health and a fulfilling rest of the years in his life. And on behalf of, for giving me this opportunity, I thank the AAB. Jai Hind, Jai Kannada.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮೂಲಕ ಗೌರವ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ ಶಶಿಕಾಂತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮೂಲಕ ಗೌರವ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇದೀಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ. ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರಭು, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್. हमारी दीक्षा आंध्र प्रदेश कार्यकारी समिति सदस्यರು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಕುಮಾರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೌಡ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಜಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ವೀಣಾ ರಾವ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಕೆಎನ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಪ್ಪಗೌಡರು, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀ ಜಿ ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಸಿಟಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅಂಜಲಿ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ.
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು, ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಆಶಾ ಅವರು,
ನ್ಯಾಯಮಿತ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಂಘದ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಗೌರವ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ. ಇದೀಗ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಸಂಘದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಕೀಲರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕೂಟದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಇವರಿಂದ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುವ ಸಮಯ.
ಅಡಿಗರು ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರವಾದವರು. ನಾನು ಅಹಿತಾಗ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದನು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕನ ಮಟ್ಟ. ಈ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನರಬಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್
ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲರಾದಂತಹ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಐತಾಳ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಬೋಧನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
ಗಣಪತಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಆತ್ಮ ಹಿರೇಮಠ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಹರಿಣಿ ಬಿಆರ್, ಜಂಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಾಮರಾಜ್ ಎಂ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಸರಿ, ಗೌರವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Advocates Association, Bangalore, I consider it a proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Honorable Justice Umesh Adiga, ಈ ದಿನದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರು, ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರವಾದಂತವರು, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, gentle, always smiling, fair. This is the personality of Justice Umesh M. Adiga. As Honorable Justice Umesh M. Adiga enters the next phase of life, we wish him a fulfilling and meaningful retirement. May this new chapter allow him to pursue his personal interests while continuing to inspire society with his wisdom and experience. We wish him good health, peace, and a life as enriching as his distinguished judicial career. Thank you, sir.